Okay, so to create your own lesson in Nearpod, you're going to select Create Your Own Lesson in Nearpod in the home page. And once you go here, you can either build up an entire lesson from just this blank template by starting with Add Slide and going from there, or you can actually take a previously made PowerPoint and drop it in here and add activities and other content to enhance it. So for this example, I'm going to use a PowerPoint that I already have made. And the requirements for Nearpod to save any type of lesson is to give it at least one slide and a title. Now that the PowerPoint has loaded in, let's go ahead and start adding interactivity into this lesson. The first thing I'd like to do is create a pre-assessment. So I'm going to actually add a draw it. Let's click Add Slide, Add Activity, Draw It. Now I'm going to type my instructions, and you could add reference material or a timer, and you could either upload your own photo or you can use the Google Safe Search. I'm going to safe search for a blank plot diagram, select the image, and click Save. Now you can change the size or flip the image either way, and click Save. And I want this to be a pre-assessment, like I said, so I'm going to drag it to the beginning of the lesson. And that's how you use the Draw It activity. The next thing I want to do is put in a video so I can engage students. So I click Add Slide, Add Content, Video. If you have a specific YouTube video, you can paste a link here. I'm just going to type in plot and use this video I have watched before and drag it in the beginning for my engagement. The final thing I want to do, since this is a PowerPoint I've already created, I'm going to delete this slide at the end, and I have a link in there that normally would link out to a book, but now I can actually just add it in as web content to take the students directly there. And let's preview it to see what this looks like. I do want to mention that Nearpod does recommend using at least 5 interactive components such as the content or activities. That is what they consider to be best practice. So do keep that in mind as you create your Nearpods. I have only included 3 here just for the sake of time. So maybe take a moment to reflect and think about what else I could have added to make this lesson a little bit more engaging. And when you're done, click Save and Exit. Now you're ready to launch this lesson to your students, or you can make more edits.